Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly find and copy your wallet address on the MEXC exchange. This works for any coin or token. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump right in. First, open the MEXC app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now from the bottom menu, tap on Wallet. Now tap on the Deposit Now option. Here tap on On-Chain Deposit. On the search bar at the top, search for the coin you need. For example, USDT, BTC, ETH or TRX. Let me go with USDT for now and select it from the list. Next, you will be asked to choose a network. For example, Ethereum for ERC20, TRON for TRC20 and Binance Smart Chain for BEP20. Always make sure the network you choose on MEXC matches the one you are sending from your other wallet. Let me go with BEP20 for now. Once you select the network, your wallet address will appear. Simply tap copy to copy the address and you can now paste it wherever you need to make a deposit. And that's it. That's how you find and copy your MEXC wallet address for any coin or token. Just remember to double check the network before making any transfer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.